Hey y'all, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be swatching some products and I guess sort of showing y'all some products that I recently got in a massive Aliexpress haul. I got some little swatchy cabochons to go on some jellies, and the jellies had the numbers on the top, and I just sort of very gently removed those labels and put them on the bottom because I need my little cabochons to go up here. Full disclosure, I am not including any of my Vanillisa extension gels in this video because it was way too long, so that's going to be a totally different video. But I'm going to be showing y'all the Rosalind Flower Fairy gels. Ooh, I love these. Love them. So if you're into just swatching and chilling and chatting and you need some info on what to buy from AliExpress, what not to buy, stick around. Here we go. So I know swatch cabochons are nothing new, probably to most of y'all, but I'm coming from the world of indie polish where all of our polishes are in clear bottles. So now, because I'm bi-coastal and I also dabble in the gels that have these dark bottles, I can't really see what the hell is in them. And y'all know you cannot trust the little colored tabs, whatever, little colored number stickers on anything. You need to be able to see them hoes. So I bought these little swatchy cabochons and I freaking love them. Again, I know they're not new to y'all, but to me, they're brand new. And they blew my mind, and I was so freaking happy to have them. So I'm just going to swatch these jellies. I think there's 5 of them. I don't know. I'm going to put a link to this haul up in the cards in the right-hand corner, up at the top of your screen, if you would like to see every single thing that I got in this AliExpress haul. So this is how I used my little cabochon, little swatchy cabochons. They come with little 3M stickers that you just peel off, you stick on wherever the hell you want them on, and then I'm really pressing down, and then I peel off the sticker, and then I'm going in with my little cabochon. And oh, by the way, of course I've top coated all these cabochons with my Model 1's top coat, and yeah, so loving, and I can still see this, still see the sticker. Man, that's a mouthful. Because originally I was thinking, oh damn, I'm gonna have to cover these up with these little cabochon swatches or swatch cabochons or whatever. And I said, no, sis, just peel it off the top, and stick it on the bottom and see if it works. And you know what? It worked. So let's do a quick little bit of chitty chat. Y'all, let me know what kind of content you might want to see on this channel. I have hauled so much stuff lately, and I have all sorts of new stuff that I've never played with or that I'm really kind of not even good at using. Do you want to see me try to do some sort of one-stroke flowers with my new brushes that I recently purchased? Do you want to see me try polygels? Do you want to, please don't say acrylics, because I cannot open that damn acrylic container of monomer again, ever, I don't think. But yeah, like I have so much new stuff that I'm just loving, and I have so many ideas in my head, but I really don't know where to start. What the heck would y'all like to see on this channel? Maybe you don't want to see this channel. I mean, honestly, nobody's watching my trash-ass videos anyway, but that's totally fine. And I'm just here to tell you, I'm not a fan of short form content, you guys. I understand, sitting through a 20, 30-minute video ain't for everybody, but TikTok and Instagram just ain't where it's at for me. I'm sorry. I'm here to sort of educate peoples, and I want to tell you why I love a product or why I hate a product, or why, you should spend your money on a product, or why you shouldn't spend your money on a product. So that's why I'm here, honestly, is more for the long form type of content. I love swatch videos. I love haul videos. And y'all, look at this freaking, oh my God, look at this pink. It is delicious. I want to wallow around in this Born Pretty pink. Oh, it's so beautiful. So anyway, you guys just let me know. So we're about to come up on our first Rosalind flower fairy? Yes, flower fairy gel. This has the little pieces of the flowers already in it. And I'm swatching this, but honestly, I'm sort of applying it like I would say like a thin builder gel. I guess you could say I'm sort of putting on my slip layer here, right? And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of a thicker, I don't know, I can't really call it a bead, but I'm basically just going to use my brush to move the product around on my pop stick. And if I have some extra product, which you guys will see later on, I'm just going to scrape it off onto my pop stick. But I'm sort of just like dabbing it on and then just moving it around, sort of floating it around as I would with a builder gel. And honestly, it turned out beautiful in the end. I think this is kind of like a trust the process kind of a product. Especially if you're just doing it on a clear pop stick, then you're going to want to make sure that you have enough product on there that's kind of going to look good and kind of not be sheer in tons of places. But if you do apply it a little bit more thickly, is that a word? A little bit more thick. Yeah, here I am scraping off this stuff. Just float it around, make sure your coverage is what you want it to be. This turquoise one, I didn't really speed up, I don't think. Oh, I sped it up just a tiny bit because I wanted y'all to see the process of how I applied this on the pop stick. But the pink one, the next one that you're going to see, I do speed that up like all the way, almost, because it's the same freaking process to apply it. I just wanted it on the pop stick so y'all could see these adorable little flowers, and so I could see these adorable little flowers. And honestly, next spring, I really envision myself using both of these often, because y'all know how I feel about florals and encapsulating things. But yeah, I feel like if you want these little flower pieces to look like they're sort of encapsulated in or floating in glass, then you're going to want to do it. You're going to want to sort of put on more product, like in thicker layers. And the way I did that was to treat this as if it were a builder gel. So yeah, there we go. I don't think that has a top coat on it. I'm really not sure. But yeah, so now we're going to go in with the pink one. I can't pick a favorite. And y'all, I'm not even a pink fan. I don't wear pink polish. I don't wear pink polish like on a daily basis type of a thing. But here we are. Y'all know I do adore, my sheer, my translucent, my milky pinks. So that's probably why I purchased this particular one. And again, I'm not putting, just as the video, the haul video itself, I did not include links to any of these products. But you can go back to that video if there's something that you like. I did include product numbers and that kind of stuff. So if you would like to know like what number product this pink Rosalind Flower Fairy Gel is, go back and watch that video. And I do give you the product number. So here they are. They're just sort of like little pieces of flowers, just encapsulated, just suspended in clear or tinted, I guess, gel. And so now I'm just going to swatch Venelisa's 1510. And this is just like a gel. It's not even a solid gel polish, really. It's more of just it's a little bit more of a thicker gel polish. I don't know. How do I describe that? It's a potted gel, you guys. There we go, you dummy. So this is sort of like a soft peach. I kind of feel like it looks like a brighter coral in the pot, but on the pop stick, it does spread out nicely and sort of disperses into this soft peach color, and it's beautiful. I think I did 3 coats, but I only show y'all 2. It really only needed 2, but my brush was being a hoe bag, and it was giving me some low spots or whatever. So here is $16.49. We're sticking with the old Venalisa. Y'all, this is absolute perfection in a pot when I tell you. Okay, so watch this. Here I go. I'm just going to go in with one. This is my first coat. And when I tell you, okay, first of all, I don't do base coats on my pop stick. So this did not have a tacky layer to stick to. It's very grippy. And that's the only word that I could come up with. Even as I was swatching it, I was like, it's so grippy. Normally, with especially chunky glitters, they want to cling to the brush. You know, the brush wants to like wipe them off. They did not move. I was just swatching it on in a super thin coat. They did not move. They just gripped. And so I decided to do a second coat, but only on the right side of the pop stick. That way I could pick it up and see what it looks like in one thin coat or what it looks like in two thin coats on the right side. And so here you go. Here you go. The glitters are gorge. The product literally stays where you put it because it's freaking grippy. I don't know. That's the only freaking word that I have for it. So this is Evening Fog. Which one is this? Is this the one I hate? Oh, okay. I hated this, y'all. Just spoiler alert. I hated this, and here's why. It had the potential to be beautiful, okay? It's got all the beautiful things in this little pot. It's got hollow bar glitters. It's got iridescent, shifty glitters. And listen, bar glitters, that ain't nothing new to me. That ain't nothing new to me in the indie world. I've used them. I've worked with them. I own them. But bar glitters in a normal polish, like a suspension base, like the suspension base gives the bar glitters like this floaty sort of environment to lay flat. And in this thick gel, these bar glitters, this just looked like I threw shit in a wall and it stuck. Straight up. I'm sorry, Born Pretty. This is a no from me, dog. No, this ain't the move. This ain't the move for me. And I'm trying to faff around and get these shits to lay down. No, it was just ew. 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 That, like, literally that's the word that comes to mind. Ew. So here it is top coated. I didn't even go in for a second coat because I'm like, oh, hell no. No, ma'am. However, what I will do is probably mix that with like a really thin, like a Young Nails Flex Gel or something. Anyway, just, thin that shit out. I loved this one, and I totally was not paying attention to the number, but this is the turquoise that is sort of the same, the same product as the first potted clear that we saw from Born Pretty. Damn, I talk a lot. I'm sorry, y'all. This is beautiful. This is stunning. Oh my gosh. Just look at it. Oh, it's so beautiful. All right, so now we're going on to our fourth potted stuff from Born Pretty. This is nice too. Okay, this is just nice. This one has reflective glitters, which I'm going to show you guys my finished pop sticks in just a little bit under my flash so you can see what has reflectives and what doesn't. And again, we're back to the issue of this gel base is so thick that these big, thick, chunky unicorn flakies, they don't want to lay down. They don't want to lay down. So they're picky and they're pokey and they're sticky uppy and I don't know. So here I'm going back in. I ain't even cured that first coat, but I still had these huge ass flakes stuck on my brush. So I'm like, let me just go ahead and do some little flaky placement here. So I did, I don't know. This is another one. This one isn't as bad as the bar glitter one that we saw, that second one that we saw that I freaking hated. Because I feel like at least with these unicorn glitter or these unicorn flakies, if you encapsulate these in like a thick gel, you'll still be able to file them and like the whole look will be, chef's kiss. Not the case with the bar glitters. I'm sorry, y'all. This is just me saying don't waste yo monies on that bar glitter. However, I'm not going to let it go to waste. I am going to try to mix it with something thinner. And here we are with my beautiful little flower fairy gels. And then to round out this video, I'm just showing you guys some other sort of magnetic neon reflective gels that I swatched with my little cabochon swatch things, whatever they're called. I don't know. But yeah, I wasn't all that impressed with these magnetics, by the way. Spoiler alert. But yeah, so here are all of the swatches that I did. Really, there's only one dud in the bunch. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you stuck around, and I hope you'll come back for the next one. Okay, you guys, I'll see y'all later. Bye.